Porsche Macan full electric. So this is the first one we've had in. It's the first one I've definitely seen on the road. This is coming to us for a reinstallation of a dash camera from the customer's previous KN. So I just thought I'd just do a quick video because we've certainly not done one of these yet. So I'll just give you a quick resume of what we've done. So rear camera fitted nicely just in there. We've also added a battery pack which is nicely hidden away, which is just there. And then I'll just show you from front camera perspective. So I've got front camera in here, camera just there, obviously wires all nicely hidden away, which is just there. And as you can see, latest generation Macan full electric here at TTW Installations.